Hello guys, welcome to Be Informed. In my last video, I told you about some IELTS apps. Some of those IELTS apps were specific to IELTS tasks like reading, listening, speaking, and some were specific to vocabulary or writing, or some were have complete IELTS tests. But in this video, I'm only going to talk about one app, that is Complete IELTS Band 7.5 Plus. This app is a must-have. Trust me guys, if you are preparing for IELTS, this one app is your all-time teacher in your phone. It has everything from tips to vocabulary to speaking to listening audio, everything. Okay, you can see that in this app they have divided the vocabulary into different categories like crime, advertising, culture, personality, camping, and it's a huge list. And in every category they have a big collection of words. It also has phrasal verbs. Like these are the phrase verb hang out, catch up, cut down, cut out. Like in culture, there are around 45 words. Similarly, if you have a topic related to science, you have 16 vocabulary words. So this goes on, like niche related words are good to use to get the high score. So do have this for vocabulary. So in writing section, they have given the task 1 and task 2 examples as well as tips. For example, if you are writing about an essay, so first they are telling you the topic and then give you an analysis of that topic, like what you should talk about. You should give the advantages or disadvantages, or you should agree or disagree with this idea, and how you should move on with your views on that certain topic that is given to you. Sometimes we know what we want to say in an essay, like we have the ideas, but the formatting of that essay, this is very confusing. But in this app, they will give you specific analysis regarding the essay topic. So this app has very good tips, which sometimes you don't get in other apps. Only a good IELTS teacher can give you such tips. So I do recommend this app for writing section as well. So here you can see is an example of an model essay. So they are giving you some examples also. Like this example is about video games. So you can have an idea how to write an essay on video games. Okay, if we move on to reading section, so they have given you the passages, and after every passage there are questions, and they have also mentioned their answers. Like you can read the passage, you can write answers on your copy, and then you can check your answers at the end. Okay, if we go to IELTS listening section, you will find audio tests. Complete listening audio test consisting of 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. You can also own the transcript. While you are listening, you can read from there, and then you can write the answers directly on your device. Later on, you will come to know how many of these are correct and how many of these are wrong. Okay, in this app, there is a section of daily news. This section is very helpful if you want to be up to date about current topics. Essay section in IELTS, especially the task 2 section, is generally about current topics, the hot topics that are going in news, or currently some topics are debatable in society. So that topics are very high chances of coming in IELTS essay section. Okay, move on to other. In IELTS speaking section, they have also given you the topics for speech. For example, your home. So they have given you an example questions and the example answers. But don't memorize these. Then they also give examples of cue cards in this app. Like the cue card questions, for example, describe a time you missed an important meeting for something. So I recommend you have this app. So guys, if you are new here, do check my other videos. I have made more videos about IELTS and some education videos also. Subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button. Best of luck for your IELTS exams. Do hard work and keep the hope high, because hard worker never fails. Best of luck for your IELTS. Good luck.